So here recently, BougeRV sent out this little light for me to try out and test. Now this is kind of meant for the camping world, although you could use this light just about anywhere. It's got several different uses that kind of make it nice and versatile, just depending on the situation or where you want to take this thing with you. So real quick, let's go over a couple of the features that make this light kind of unique. The biggest one being it's got a motion sensor built into it. We'll go over that here in just a second, but I thought that was the coolest feature that was on this light. This little light here has got 3 different color temperatures you can set it at. Actually, it's 2 color temperatures and red. So let me go ahead and show you that real quick. If I hold down the power button, you'll see that this light illuminates, and right now I've got the red setting on it. If I tap that button again, it'll switch to the cool light, and then you've also got the warm light on this light as well. Now you can also adjust 5 different levels of brightness. So right now I've got this in the max setting, but if I go down, it steps down by 20% with each level. So 5 levels, you go down to 80, 60, 40, and 20. On the low setting at the 20% level, they advertise this as being able to run on 1 full battery charge for about 8 hours. I've been running this thing in the max the last couple days, just when I've been in and out of the camper and trying to get things set up, just be using this as my flashlight. And on that max setting, I'm getting around 3 hours or so. I didn't completely deplete the battery, but I noticed when I came back in that night, I was down to 1 bar. It would have died there relatively quickly. Now I told you I mentioned that motion sensor, so that middle button right here next to your plus and minus and your power button, if you click that one time, the light there in the center will illuminate blue. That lets you know that the motion light's active. This thing will stay on for a couple minutes, it'll shut itself off, and then if you have a metal surface, because this is a magnet on the back, or if you just hung it from a tree, as soon as it detected your motion on the campsite or wherever you were using this light, this thing would illuminate your site for you. And you can run that on the cool, the warm, and the red light for that matter, and then you can also adjust that brightness where you want it to be as well when the motion light actually activates. I thought that was a really cool feature. Obviously, we all have flashlights running around. A lot of the flashlights we run are probably going to be a lot brighter than this little light is, but they don't necessarily have those features built into them at the same time. I can see where this little light absolutely has a place, especially in a camping setting. I mentioned a couple of the mounting spots already. So essentially you got this hook here where you can hang this from the top of your tent. You can hang it from a branch on your campsite, but it's also got a belt clip here as well. So if you take this thing on a hike with you, you can strap it to your book bag. You can hook it to your clothes or your belt, wherever you want for that matter. It's also got that magnet on the back as well. So if you've got a metal surface, I can't do that on my particular camper with it being paneling and I've got aluminum, but if you've got another metal surface on your camper, you could absolutely just tack that thing up. Not to mention, if you need to get under the hood of your truck, you could use this light as an illumination light under the hood as well. And last but not least, the other cool feature I felt like this light had as well, where you charge this thing with a USB-C, you can also use this thing as a battery bank. So if you've got your phone and you're out on your hike and your phone's running a little dead, you need to be able to get back to base camp to get that phone charged. You can actually plug into this light, use this as a separate battery, give you enough juice to get you back on the road. It's probably not going to fully charge your phone, but nonetheless, something this lightweight and compact. It's got a lot of different uses other than just being a light. So pretty impressed with this little light so far. Definitely looking forward to having this with us on the camping trips. I have a feeling the kids will probably end up taking this thing from me when they're navigating around the campsite at night or need to go down to the bathroom, like I mentioned. But other than that, that's all I've got for you in this little video today, guys. Appreciate you taking the time to watch. We'll catch you on the next one.